Welcome back. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo is hopeful of organizing the Sunburn Festival in Kanduli. He says it is the revenue earner for the people in and around Kanduli. Lobo also mentioned that the Sunburn organizers will tender a written apology to the CM and the Tourism Minister. While the festival has been traditionally held at Kanduli, government has asked the organizers to look for another venue to hold the event. He says the festival earns huge revenue to the state.
Finally, Sunburn brings revenue to my constituency. People as also people who are working in my constituency and people who are coming in my constituency. जे बायले आमचे गोंयकार कोण नालदोना रावता आनी हुंय रावता ते काम करता ओ ते आनी कसले ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी चलयता ओ ट्युरिस्ट व्हेकल ते टू व्हिलर भाड्याक दिता ओ कितें तरी तेंची एक्टिविटी चालू आहा. सो इट इज आवर इकॉनॉमी ऑफ गोवा. Direct and indirect 10 crores revenue at that time because of Sunburn.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had demanded an apology from the Sunburn organizers for their wild allegations last year on free passes to his legislators.
Explanation आलेलं नाही. त्यांनी वाइल्ड allegations केलेली आहे गेल्या वर्षी. वाइल्ड allegation म्हणजे मला माहिती आहे. मी ईमेल त्यांचे बघितलेले आहे. Those wild allegations they will have to either substantiate. I don't mind. I will take legal action. If they substantiate someone took bribe from them, I'll definitely take a legal action. Or they should say sorry for that.
Michael mentioned that the Sunburn organizers will tender an apology to the concerned department.
If anybody has misunderstood it is, I apologize for that if there is any inconvenience. So now return he is giving to the Tourism Department and also to the CM. He's given a written apology on that. Whoever has misunderstood, that whoever somebody has overcharged him, means overcharged means त्याने जे हे म्हटला की आपल्याक पैसे घेतले म्हणून पैसे लीगली घेतले त्याचे.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Defending champions Churchill Brothers will take on new look Salgaonkar Football Club in the 2013-14 I-League opener at Dulair Ground on Saturday. Churchill have made a strong start to the domestic season, occupying the top spot in the first phase of Pro League. The Warka-based club will be the favourites against the rebuilding Salgaonkar Football Club, who have a new coach in Derek Pereira to guide their fortune this season. The match will kick off at 4 o'clock.
Technical Director Sukhwinder Singh has taken the place of Subhas Bhaumik, who played a key role in masterminding I-League triumph last season along with head coach Mariano Dias. The Red Brigade has looked in great touch since the beginning of the Goan season in Airtel Pro League. But Dias and his boys know the real challenge will be to retain the I-League.
Strong point is of the team is the midfield and the attack, along with the new signing from Portugal, that is Hugo, who is offering quite a lot of support to the strikers, where we can get lot of scoring opportunities. Salgaonkar is a very strong opponent. They have also been preparing for last 2 months for the I-League, and they also played in the Goa Professional League, and they are strong opponents. We will approach the first match very cautiously, where we can balance in attack and defense, and if we can get 3 points, it will be very, very good enough to begin the season.
Former I-League champions Salgaonkar will hope to start a new chapter under Derek Pereira, who has joined the Vasco-based team after a consistent stint at Pune FC. With 18 new signings and 26 players released, Salgaonkar are certainly in a rebuilding mode. AIFF's coach of the year, Pereira says that the boys are gelling well.
The youthfulness in our team, what we have, the youth we have in our team, and the team spirit and the teamwork has been very good. All the players are gelling well. They are working hard together as a team, and that is the strength which will take us a long way into this tournament. Churchill, they are the champions of last year, and they are a very strong side. They have retained most of their players, except for 1 or 2 foreign players, and they play the same style of football what they played last year, because I've seen them in the Goa League. They are a very good side. So it will be a tough match. We are going to fight it out against this team, and we are sure we'll perform well. The boys are all eager to go out there and perform against the champions and get a good result.
Overall, the 2013-14 season will be crucial for the future of Indian club football, with AIFF IMG also planning to come out with IPL-style tournament. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.